Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Myself Rashmi Ranjan and I'm from the Sai Fortin Institute, Hyderabad. So today we are going to cover one very important topic, which is configuring repos or repo files. Okay, so without this, it's very difficult to download the packages in your examination. So this is the exam point of view we're going to discuss. And very soon we're going to start our RHCSA exam preparation batch. So if anyone is interested for the exam preparation batches and want to register for EX200 or RHCSA exam, they can contact with the below number. Okay. Now, this configuring repo, this must be done with 2 of the machine in your exam. Okay, it's very simple, very straightforward. Only you need to follow some certain steps. All right. Okay. Now, so the topic will be configuring repos, and it is coming in version 8 and version 9. Just now they have updated to version 9, but the steps are equal as your version 8. Right. So whatever steps we'll follow today, that is applicable for both RHCSA 8, version 8 and version 9. Right. So configure repository or repo file. This is our task. Okay. And the question they are going to ask you very straightforward, that they'll ask you to configure 2 repo files in 2 machines. Okay. And they will be giving you the address, or you can say the both web links for both of the machines. So this will be the first link, will be the web link for the first machine. Okay. Or you can say means the first repo file, and second link will be for the second repo file. Okay. For 2 repo file, they will be sharing 2 web links. Okay. And you just have to copy and paste the same, right? So the picture, the repo file picture is coming something like some, you can say some parameters are there, right? So 5 parameters are there. You need to follow the 5 parameters. You can see Redhat is there, some name are there. So that Redhat is your repo ID, and some GPG key are there. I'll explain all these things. But before that, mark this directory name, that is /yum.repos.d. Okay, this is the directory name where you'll be creating the repo files. And also /new repo, this is a new file I'm going to create, so that is why I'm giving the file name as new.repo, right? So the repo file must be configured inside /etc/yum.repos.d, right? Okay, and you need to follow some certain steps, like Redhat is written here. This Redhat is nothing but repo ID. Then your name is there. What name you want to assign for your repo ID, that is there, or I've given as upstream. Then GPG key equals to 0. What is this GPG key equals to 0? Means suppose if means we are installing any package, there is one GPG key. Okay, which means if I'm giving, instead of 0, if I'm giving 1, means it is going to ask you the GPG key when you install the package. So better to go for the 0. 0 means false. So it is not going to ask you the GPG key in case of you install any package. Then enable equals to 1. That means this repo file will be in active mode all the time. Okay. And lastly, you have to give this base URL equals to, then whatever link they will provide in the exam, you have to just copy and paste. So this is one repo file. This way you have to create 2 repo files. Okay. So I'm going to show you how you can create your repo file. So as I have told you that you have to go inside one directory, that is /etc/yum.repos.d. Okay. Inside this, you can see I already have 2 repo files, right? By default, I have 2 repo files. So now I'm going to create one repo file. So how to create one repo file? Nothing, guys, just use your VI editor. Okay, I'm writing here as new.repo as a repo file name. Okay, enter. Here I'm going into this insert mode, and you need to follow those 5 parameters that I told you, that GPG key, your base URL, your enable. So those are the things you need to create inside the repo file, right? So first I'm writing here as the repo ID. So suppose I'm giving here repo ID as your, okay, let me give as upstream. That's fine, upstream, right? Okay. Next I'm giving here as name. So it could be anything. Name, suppose you are giving 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. It could be anything. Okay. So I'm suppose giving here the name is as Redhat 1. Then you need to write the GPG check equals to 0. I'm just disabling this GPG check. Then I'm giving the enabled equals to 1 to make this repo file as inactive mode. Then you have to give this base URL equals to. So I'm going to copy the same thing. I'm going to copy, right? I'm going to copy this link, this one. Okay, let me copy this one. In your exam also, you need to copy this one and paste here. Okay, paste. 1 second. Yeah. Okay, so this is one repo file size. This is one configuration for first repo. If you want to do for another one, you can create another repo file. But if you want to continue the same repo file also, you can make another repo file, right? Here also in this same file also. So I'm going in command board. Let me copy all these files, all these lines, 5YY, and here I'm going to paste this line. Okay, so I need to just change few things. So this second repo file, I'm giving the name here, going by insert mode. I'm giving the name here as let's say I'm giving your base URL. Suppose I'm sorry, your base OS. I'm giving your base OS. Then I'm giving you the name here as Redhat 2, let's say. Then the link. Okay, I need to put the link here also. Let me delete this link. Okay, just let me edit this one. Suppose this one is you. Guys, you have to copy this one. Okay, you have to copy this second link. You have to copy this second link. It could be anything. It could be abcd.server.com/upstream. It could be anything. So I've just copied the two links and I have created two repo files inside one repo file. With two repo configuration inside one repo file. So I'm going to save this one. Okay, and you can see one repo file is created, but don't forget to execute this command called yum clean all. This is very necessary. It will just clear the zonk files. You can see 12 files removed, right? If I'll go now to check with yum repo list, you can see I have here two repo files named as Redhat 1 and Redhat 2. Right? So this is how you can configure your repo in your examination. This question is coming in the examination, and you have to perform the same task in two different servers. Okay, and guys, means in every month we're conducting the RHCSA exam preparation batches, and very soon I'm going to start our next batch. So anybody is interested, let me know and let us contact with the given contact number below the description box. All right. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.